Have you ever imported your project contract lines and then when you go into the system, you can't see them? This happens all the time and it's just a really, really simple fix. So I'm going to go just to show you, to prove to you that this is a thing. Go to Prime Project Contracts. In my Score warehouse, I'm going to open up my lines. Nothing there. I definitely imported them. There should be lines in for this project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the project itself, Score Warehouse, edit it. And on my additional info tab, I'm going to associate a location with that job. I'm going to save it. Now, when I go back to my project contract, look at my lines for Score, I can see them. So that's a very frustrating thing that happens if you don't have a location tag to your project, but a very simple fix and something that happens all the time. So hope this helps. As always, like and subscribe.